Hello, welcome back. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. It's Monday night, and didn't want to stay up too late, but I thought I'd try to be a little bit productive. This time I wanted to push forward a little bit with my dot files. Why are we dropping frames? I think we're back. Okay. Right. So I have more incentive right now to do this because I actually need to get this set up on another laptop very soon. So I basically need to test this and have it ready. I don't really have too much plans besides I know that I want to have at least my other applications set up. And I think that's going to be part of my data strategy. Let's see. The part of dotfiles. It's been a little while since I looked at this. Okay, so here's a bunch of random stuff. And to be honest, most of these I probably don't even care about. But I am thinking about doing like a brew file. So how do we do this? Dump. Creating brew. You can dump a brew file of your current entries into your current directory. Sounds good to me. All right, let's see what that produces. Terminal. I'd be very happy if I can quickly get this set up and then just like run it on my other computer and be done with it. I'm kind of scared. What's on my computer? Oh, there it is. Okay. Wow, and they have VS Code stuff. So you got Homebrew Bundle, Vapor tab. Okay. It's funny because I just installed some of these. Wow. FreeCAD, Insomnia, iTerm 2. I kind of want to use Alacrity. No specific reason. Oh yes, that's useful. Rectangle, useful. What is this? Code spaces, good stuff. Wow, okay. I guess I just copy and paste that into my folder. What is it? Into .config, .files. Here you go. So I will move this into here. Do I really want all of these? Probably not. For instance, I don't think I care about Python or Ansible. I don't want to use those. I kind of use that. Yeah, I use that. Yes. I feel like some of these are kind of conditional. grep. I'm not even sure if I use that. tfinv. I kind of want that. Maybe we should just install everything. Okay, what else is here? JQ, okay, fine. Neovim, good. Nodeinf, good. Fine, good. Tree, good. Vapor, sure. Oxide, yes. Docker, yes. Figma, yes. Font hack nerd font, yes. Okay, that's what was missing. I want JetBrains font. That's what's missing. Okay, so let's install that. And then we'll do the dump one more time. Okay, how about this? What's this one? It's not really my repo there. Oh, my ZHS, I guess it automatically clones. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is delete this. And I guess I could put it here. CD dot, nope, it's dotfiles, brew bundle dump. It will recreate it, and then I will also see here what the changes are. There you go. It's just one cask. Cool. Perfect, perfect. And that means, can I set it up here? I don't know. What about Xcode? There's a lot of cool fonts that I've been looking into. So far, I think I like the JetBrains one. I was also looking into, I think Twilio has their own font. Here it is. Okay. We got medium, and NL stands for no ligatures. I want the ligatures. That's the part I like about it. Man, look at that. I got the arrow there. It's nice. They also have ligatures for like double equal signs, triple equal signs, not equals, triple not equals. Beautiful. Okay. So there's the brew file, and then what's the readme say? Setup.sh. Here. So basically, brew bundle. Let's use ChatGPT here. I'm setting up a brew file for my dot files. I have a setup.sh How can I... How should we install the brew file? Okay, whatever. Ooh, perfect, perfect. This is kind of what I was hoping for here. Ensuring homebrew is installed. Check if brew file exists. Brew file will be in the same dir. Okay, homebrew is installed. Check if brew file exists. Sure. I think that's good enough. Okay, so we're, I roughly, let's see, do I have anything else that I need? I think it's good enough for now. Like I did list a couple of things here. Docker, FreeCAD. Don't think I need most of those. Source tree, already got that. Final Cut Pro. That's an interesting one because I would like that. And I think that's a different application. Okay, I don't think I really care about those. So, but one thing I do want to do is make sure that my dock bar and my other system settings are set. Okay, how do I show the bar here? Okay, well, I guess I'll just look at it down here and I'll say Finder, Launchpad, Safari, Finder, Safari, Settings. Ooh, DocuTil. Is that really the recommended? It's only there for clearing the dock. I don't know if I actually want to use this. Who is this guy? It's very important to know who wrote code. I mean, looks like this person did a lot of good stuff. I just don't know if I want a dependency on this. I mean, I guess it's okay. Okay, let's do this. How about this? Clear the dock, add the finder, add launchpad, add Safari, add system preferences, restart, and then create the symbolic links, and then source. I think I want to run it now. What's the worst that can happen? Also, why? What is this? Oh, the rest of it is using docutil. We don't need that for now. Okay, so let's just run it. I guess it upgrades. I'm not sure what will happen when we get to the create symbolic links. Interesting. And my doc has a big question mark now. I don't know how to show it on here. Looks kind of broken actually. I broke it. Ooh. I'm kind of curious. What did it do? Looks like it didn't really do anything. Whoa. Cool. It's doing something. And I can run it multiple times. However, some stuff is broken. Okay, I can see Finder here. I can see Launchpad. I can see Safari. And then for system preferences, I have a big question mark. What's going on, ChatGPT? Oh. Adding system preferences to the doc. Tell application system events to tell doc preferences. What is this? Is this code? That's weird. I like how it was before. I think it's called system settings actually, so let's change that. Yeah, it works. Cool. I fixed it. But download looks a little bit funny. View fan, display folder. Display folder. So it can be a folder or a stack. So what if I change it to stack? If only I can show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's what it was before. I don't, oops. Whoops. Whoops. Settings. Displays. Okay, how about doc? And we'll make the doc I have no idea how to use Max. Okay, where is it? Docs. Okay, we're gonna completely ignore that. Anyways. Oops. So we don't need this. Docutil. We're using Docutil for everything. Alright, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Worked clean. I don't know what's up with that. Whoops. So like if I go to applications, is Launchpad there? No. What about Safari? There. Why is it doing that? I mean, it works. So I guess that's fine. Okay, as long as it works. That's all I really care about. Okay, and then oh, what about Xcode settings? What about here's my updated setup.sh. Can I set the font? Wait, actually, how do we install Xcode? How can I oops, tell this to download stuff, mass stuff like Xcode and Final Cut Pro? I thought I did this once somewhere. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, so what we're gonna do is copy this, put it into the brew file. Save that. We'll just run this once. And now that's installed. It's cool how I can just run this anytime and it should reset it. How do I use it again? Mass list. Okay. Cool. 835. Yeah, that's the same one. Wow, it's integrated. That's cool. Dude, having VS Code plugins integrated is also awesome. Love that. I can install a lot of plugins. Now, where's the Neobin plugins? Why isn't that there? That's unfortunate. But who knows? Maybe it's up to me to install it, to create it. But I'm probably not gonna do that. Code AI. That's cool. Oh. What is going on here? This doesn't seem good. Wait, it actually stopped. Is that installing every single time? Okay, well, hope that didn't install again. I'm sure if I used a tool like Stow or something, that would probably make this a lot easier. But I want to do this, mass install. Whoa, that actually worked. That actually worked. That's cool. I kind of want this, I want this. I don't need GarageBand or iMovie. I don't really like Keyline Pie. Keynote, don't need it. Logic Pro, that's cool. I'll keep it. Numbers, Note Pages. Note Pomodoro Primer. Whoops. Hey, that's cool. To be honest, I didn't even know I had this. Don't really care about it. Okay, so I'm gonna save that. Save it and then run it. Cool. Profile.lock.json. What do we do with that? It creates that to record the environment. If a future run of that fails, you can check the difference. As it contains local information that varies, it's not worth committing. Let's see if that works. Cool, perfect. And then in my doc, I see exactly what I want. That's neat. If only I can show the doc, it's on my other screen, but I'm just looking at how the downloads folder fans out. It's interesting behavior that I never realized was configurable. I don't even know if I really want it like that. But it's kind of default, I'm kind of used to it now. I think it's all right. What else do I need? Okay, how about this? How about configuring Xcode settings? For example, I want to set a custom font and to make to display it to display invisible characters. Cool. All right, let's set this. Whoops. Menlo 14, I don't think that's the one I want. Also, I need to quit some of these apps. I don't have to, but I don't need these. Quit app. Quit. Why is Figma running? Quit. Okay. Also, where did Notion wasn't installed? Was it? Well, let's check Xcode first. Okay, so check it out. we go to here, invisible, what if I uncheck it? And then I'll just run this now and see what happens. Do I have to run it again? Well, that didn't seem to do anything. Do I have to have it closed? Okay, what does it say? This is interesting. Whoa. That's a lot of information. I think it actually worked. Wait, are these good defaults? Because I feel like enabling parallel builds is a good idea in general. Whoops, what did I just do? That's not what I want. Okay, so Xcode closed because I just killed Xcode. And invisible lines are still not showing. So we go to editor, edit, no, editor here, invisibles. And we close this. So now if I run this again, I wonder, do I have to write an int? It's gonna show because I forgot to change it. Right, so that's killed. I'll open it again and hopefully it will show. Oh, why? Wait, was it supposed to say bool yes? That's interesting. Neo Nacho. Hey, I know this guy. Hey. When did he write this? Boris, right? He follows me. Oh, I wonder how he's doing. libgit2. Why does it have a Christmas tree? I guess you haven't been posting much. It's okay. I have not posted much either recently. But that's cool. Ew. History. What else here? Disable move files, disable state restoration, homebrew prefix, Swift package, remote source, simulator, enable. That's interesting. I wonder what that is. Xcode cleanup. Remove, what is this? Remove all developer tools cache. Log level pre-build. This one in general seems good. Maybe I should just do this. Show build operation duration. Sure. Parallel builds? Builds, why not? Why wouldn't I disable? Now runs more Swift build task in parallel. This may improve build times for Swift, but also increase memory usage. Build system schedule inherently parallel commands in serial. Parallel exclusively. Okay. What is this? Why not? Why wouldn't I want multi-cursor? Why wouldn't I want maximum? Oh, this is funny. Sure. Okay, I'm gonna copy this so I don't forget. I think it's gonna be a great idea to comment this. And probably copy this too. Many settings from here. Cool. Restore vanilla defaults if you move. Oh, so all you have to do is move it and open Xcode. Cool. Disable automatic reopening. No, that's fine. Debug building mode. In general, I like these. I wonder why this isn't using like the same technique as the others. Whoa. Wait, actually. This might be really good. 666. I kind of like that. But the problem is it's kind of project specific too. Although I could use that for work. Let's try it out. Whoa, why did that download? Xcode, and then I want the front end. This is the front end. So if I tap on create view, Ooh. Did it do that before? I have no idea. That's cool. Should I also add like to do service, to do module? It's kind of different. Oh well. I think that's good enough for now. The thing I still haven't figured out, and was the important thing that I really wanted, was how do we font? How do we set the font? One. Something doesn't seem right. Com, Apple, TT, Xcode, defaults right. Show invisible characters 1. I don't think it works. Wow, this is pretty old. I'm not sure if this will still work. Cool. This seems useful. Wait, did I add it twice? Oh, wait a second. That means every time I run this, it's gonna add it again and again. I kind of don't really want to do array add. I want to do like array set. I don't even see it in here. Oh, here it is. Maybe I can do this. Sure. Oh man, wow. This is actually super helpful here. Like every single time it saves to the desktop, and that can make the desktop pretty messy. That's amazing. Yeah, let's take that. What is it currently? Cool, so why not? Messages, miscellaneous. Dock position. Oh, this is good stuff. Disable shadow. Oh my goodness, I always hold option to remove that. This is amazing. That's incredible. Thank you so much. It would be funny if if holding option reverses it, because I might have, like, what do you call it? I might do that by habit and add the shadows back. can try some of these out. I usually don't like it when the recent apps show up. It is a genie effect. Yeah, that's fine. Interesting. Who knew that there's all these settings? This is amazing. Wow, that's a setting. That's kind of cool. I don't really need it. This is useful. I kind of like that. I like this. Let's set it all now. What's gonna happen? Who knows? This is exciting. I'm kind of expecting my computer to crash. Oh jeez. Oh. It didn't work. Okay. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I like that. I mean, it is showing extensions, right? I don't know. Show icon in the title bar. I don't care. Oh, hide all icons. Actually, I do want this. Is this Finder? Yeah. This is useful. I kind of want this format. What's the default? No idea, but I want this one. Wonder if I have to restart something. Oh well. What else we got? Oh my goodness, wow. That's cool. Too bad I'm not going to use the regular terminal. Mission control, no idea what that is. Switch to space. Auto gather. Okay, well that's a lot of neat defaults. Cool. I just can't do the one thing that I care about the most. How do I show invisible lines? Invisible characters. I can't also set the time. if I did 0? Well, it changed. Wait. Okay, so that's 1, and then if I navigate editor, undo, it just changed. What? It's still using the font, I think. Medium 16. This is not making any sense to me. I guess that's just something I'll have to change manually. Wait, I thought I set it to... Wait, it's 1. Wait, it's still 1. Wait, it's still 1. It's still 1. It's still 1. Okay, what if I... Okay, I give up. That one's impossible. I've concluded. Too much time, not enough return. All right, what else do I need to do? I think I could write something in the README here. Cool. Copy. Let's make a new one, and we'll copy just this part. We should put the installation in the setup.sh. Well, this is where it's cloning into the .omi ZHS. Oh. Wait, there's a homebrew version of it. So let's do this. Just making sure that's the official one. Now is an interesting choice. I mean, it's either homebrew or oh my ZHS. Wow, so configurable. I think that I like the idea of homebrew more. I'm not sure if they have like a recommended. But the tricky part is they're also not going to support it much. How about this? How about this? So that's the only way to install on my ZHS. I don't even know if I really want that. But also, LMNOPQR. Actually, let's just do this. Ta-da! And now, what did I do? Right, don't need any of that. So this one, sure. Profile, yep. README, of course. Setup, yeah. I think I also want to delete this. /theme/power level 10k. So that's going to be in .omyzhs /theme/ what is this? Power level 10k. I didn't realize there were so many themes. Also, where is it? Custom. Oh, wow. Okay, what if I did... Oh man, I'm gonna break everything. I mean, it seems to be working fine. I don't understand how this is working. I feel like the other way might have been better. Oh well. I thought I saved it. Okay, I think I broke something. Let's not do that. Let's do it this way. Let's go with your way. Okay. Okay, that's installed. What else do I need? I feel pretty good about these changes. Sure. make sure there's a space at the end. I don't really know the reason why, but GitHub screams at you if you don't do that. That's the main reason why I do that. Oh, nice. All right. Well, I think that's the majority of it. The only thing left is to test it out on another system. I'm sure there's a lot of other stuff to set up, but I'll worry about that another time. There's definitely other stuff I do want to set up, like OBS settings and SSH stuff. There's a couple of places where I will have to put my password in, but I think this is a good start for now. I think it's a great start. Yeah, I'll just run this on my other computer, see how it goes, modify it as needed, and yeah, pretty happy with where we're at. It's funny because everything's in setup, which I think I basically copied what someone else did. Would be cool to see what other people's dot files look like. Get some inspiration. All right, I think that's it for me for tonight. Wow, it's already getting late. It's already late. Wow, I spent like 2 hours. I was not expecting that. Thought I was just gonna be here for like an hour. Time flies when you're having fun, I guess. All right, thanks for joining me. We will keep on going little by little, making progress with my setup. Hopefully next time I'll be on a more powerful laptop. I should have 64 gigs of RAM, so that should be exciting. Hopefully I will have everything set up. Oh, you know what? I should have made the background black and Notion. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff I'll check. Oh, and I got to set up a Dvorak keyboard. Oh man, there's so many stuff I'm missing. All right. I'll worry about that later. For now, I need to get some rest. Yeah, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. We'll do some more development. All right. See you next time. Night, everyone.